Hi everyone, I'm in my studio at Lochte and I'm going to do a wee demonstration this weekend at Salsgarth, where I am on Sunday. I'll be inviting all comers to come and make a pair of bunny ears. Hello. Now, they're pretty easy to make. And of course, I'll be inviting lots of people, whoever wants to make their own or just to decorate some. To make a bunny ear, you start with a willow whip and you turn it. This is the way I make leaves and ears and, well, flowers. It's sort of the start to quite a lot of things, really. Anyway, just show you this one. So you do one at a time. Can you see that? Do another one. Now, to make them roughly the same size, you use your first one to go by, and then you bend it at roughly the place where the first one was bent. Turn your willow until it looks like this. Hold on to it. Willow is very springy, so you always have to hold on to it. That's the best advice I can give you. They're roughly the same size. Now I'm going to twist the thin end around the thick stem in the place I want to cross over, and then we weave into the middle, over, into the middle, over, into the middle, around and through, in and out and in and out. That's what weaving's all about. So, there we are. That's two little ears ready to be joined up. It's a bit tricky. I'm going to join these up by turning one of the ends around, right around, and then tucking it into the place that I've woven. Can you see that okay? Same thing is going to happen at the other side. So you take your thick end, you twist it round, and then you tuck it in to the bit of weaving that you've done. If you're good at weaving, you can just sit beside me at the market stall and weave the rest of the way. Or if you like colour, for instance, if you were young at heart or actually young, you can decorate them. Easter is a bit like that, isn't it? It's funny because my grandchildren love Easter. I think it must be something to do with the chocolate. Let's put these bigger ones away. So you have a pair of bunny ears. I'll be bringing bits and bobs and this and that, whatever, just to decorate the ears. You could just wrap around. Pipe cleaners are very simple to do this with, not like Willow. Pipe cleaners sort of stay. Willow sort of bounces. Anyway, I'm sure you'll be able to decorate them better than me, but that's a bit of pipe cleaner, that's the start. Or possibly some woolly bits. Now, with the woolly bits, you can just wrap around or weave or do whatever you like. Look at that. Now, Is that not fantastic bunny ear? I do have feathers as well. I know you don't see rabbits with feathers, but I have lots of feathers, so it's quite nice to use them. They can just get stuck in. Or of course, my friend Jennifer has beautiful white peacock, and she gives me some of the feathers just to use with my arts and crafts, because she's a lovely person and she loves children. It's also quite a good way of reusing feathers. There we go. Happy Easter!